Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today, usually I always say if the market is in uptrend, market can fall for 3 days. The third day low is very, very important. So in fact, market has fallen for the last 3 trading session, and today Nifty future went almost 24,400. And then there was a great recovery of about 150 points towards the end of the day. European markets were lower, the US futures were lower. That was one thing. The second thing, the major thing is that this Jane Street banned by SEBI, people do not know how to react. And all the related stocks have come down very much today. And today, Nuvama and Angel One, so these two are main brokers for Jane Street. So they were down drastically. Even the BSE shares have fallen, and because now the volume is likely to go down. And first, let us talk this Jane Street problem in detail. Tomorrow, maybe I'll come out with a separate video. But as per SEBI, these people were playing with about 45,000 crore, 50,000 crore each day. Then just imagine the kind of volume, the kind of brokerage generated. And even the CDSL has fallen. So you may ask one question, like Jane Street, they do only index options trading. Then what it has got to do with the CDSL? But usually, ultra HNI clients or institutions, they don't pay cash to the exchange as a collateral. They put their money in some liquid funds or somewhere else, and then they give it as a collateral. So the CDSL come into the picture because you also buy the cash equivalent from the market. So that is where the CDSL come into the picture. So that stock is also down. So BSE is down, CDSL is down, Nuvama is down, Angel One is down. They're all like down around 5 to 10%. And another one, that Trend, which was downgraded by some brokerage, so that is down by more than 10% because that is, that has gone up so much in the last few trading sessions. Otherwise, index-wise, not a big problem. The Bank Nifty has fallen about 200 point, then shot up 400 point, So Bank Nifty is struggling. 57,000. And from there, it went up, it came down, it went up. It's just struggling. So overall, our market, is struggling. But today's low is very, very important. There's a third day low. It should not be broken. For last 5 trading sessions, for last 4 trading session, Nifty candle was a red candle. But today, I think it must be a green candle. But there is nothing to, be happy much about it. Next week, because of this US tariff, the markets are likely to be in jitter mode, likely to be volatile. But still, I feel that the Nifty is likely to consolidate between 25,000 and 26,000 for the next 1 week. But the premiums have come down so much. The 26,000 call option was trading around below 10 rupees. I think when the rally came towards the end of the day, it went up to 12, 13 rupees. The 25,000 put is still trading at a decent premium of about 20 rupees. Looking at the open interest, people have sold all the calls aggressively from 25,500 to 26,000. All the puts also aggressively 25,500 to 25,000. So this shows that the people are expecting market to be range bound for the next few trading sessions. Next week, Friday, I think TCS is coming out with results. By that time, the next weekly option expiry will be over. So for the next 4 trading session, the people are expecting sideways move between 25,000 and 26,000. And US market is closed today, so therefore there is nothing much, global cues. And today, surprisingly, both FIIs and DIIs were net sellers. And together, I think they have sold for about 2,000 crore. So that shows, why the market was down in the morning. The market, the first jitter came because of this Jane Street issue. And then, Trump tweeted by saying that, he will start sending letters to many countries about the tariff. So he started the game once again. So when that news came, the market fell further and then recovered. So overall, this is a period of consolidation, and market likely may make a move. Like day before yesterday, Nifty fell 200 points from day's high, and yesterday also Nifty fell 200 points from day's high. Today Nifty shot up 150 points from day's low, and at least that the trend has changed. Right? So as long as nothing happens on Saturday and Sunday, Monday, so like we are likely to open flat only, we are likely to consolidate further. And so that thing we will discuss to Monday morning. So today, the stock wise, as I told you, is all related to Jane Street only. So if you are holding any stock related to Jane Street, so it is time to be a bit careful. And tomorrow maybe I'll come out with a more detailed video about this Jane Street issue and what should be done to avoid this in future. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.